Okay, good afternoon everyone. So we're back with another NMAX panels. The first project ko for this rainy season ho namin. Rainy season yan. So we'll start with this filter, air filter. I'm not really sure kung what do you call this panel. Then obviously the engine area part or the crank. Then sa harap ng mga panels. By the way, this is the CF19 ho na pattern. Yeah, madalas ho namin itong gamitin. Kaya I think medyo familiar na kayo. Then, ito ho yung magaspang na part doon sa may likuran niya ho. So, again, pinakinis na ho namin to. So, you really have no idea ho kung gaano kahirap gawin yun. Then, the sides, o yung mahaba na nasa gilid niya ho. Hindi ko alam kung kita nyo pa yung pattern, pero ayun, there you go. So like any other NMAX panel ho na project namin, we make sure na eto ho, pag naikabit, mukhang tuloy-tuloy ho yung pattern. Okay, there you go. Same with this side. Hindi makita at nangingibabaw yung pintab ho. But anyways, that gives you an idea that, like I said, we're into quality output ho. Hindi ho kami yung basta lubog lang ho ng lubog. Okay, so there it is. Another NMAX panels ho, brought to you by Juandip. Again, so thanks for watching and we'll see you on another video. Bye.